Today we're going to learn how to core a pineapple. This fruit is sweet, juicy, and you can easily core a pineapple at home. No time, friend. It's only you need to learn a few steps. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. So friends, to core pineapple, you need a pineapple. So this pineapple is ripe and you can smell the sweet smell. And just see the line and the core is going in one direction. So either way you can do from the top and the bottom. See friend, this is the direction we're going to core the pineapple. First we're going to cut both of side, top and bottom. So we just remove as thin as possible, and we're going to peel the pineapple each side. Just run your knife through the end and the pineapple you can peel it. No time, friends. So the pineapple is always easily available everywhere year long. So it's not a seasonal fruit, so you can have this pineapple year long. But the normally we get from the store with the peel out is not very great, and this is the best way, and you can get the fresh pineapple. So I just run the knife each side to the same direction, and we just try to clean up all the edges, and we try to run the same direction, the core that I showed before. So it's pretty much easy, friend. Just turn over and just run your knife to the core. It's just one direction. Keep repeating this process, and in no time you can have this cut this fresh pineapple at home. No time, friends. It's so easy, and but many people like to buy the expensive peeled pineapple at the store, but it's a half of the price if you bought this unpeeled pineapple and you peel at home. You can save a lot of money. So it's so easy, but only you need some easy techniques. So just run your knife to the core and try to clean up all the remaining the skin. It's easy, friend. It's just take 10 minutes to complete this process, and you have this fresh pineapple, and you always can add it to any your favorite as a fruit salad, or you can make a smoothie and you can make it. So friend, in the middle we have this hard core. We need to remove it because it's very difficult to chew, and it's not very good for us. It might be hurt you, and sometimes it's give that the tongue become more itchiness. So try to remove all that, the middle part, the core in the middle. It's easy. Just run your knife and just remove it. So now it's ready, friend. We can slice or cube out. So I'm just trying to show you how I cube. So just slice and cube as small pieces you want. So you can add as a in your parfait, or you can put in a smoothie, and you always can freeze pineapple in the freezer for 6 months. So friend, this is ready. Before you leave, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Thank you.